In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can you sell Midjourney art? By the end, you'll know exactly when you can monetize your images and what limitations to watch for so you stay compliant and confident. Here's the short answer. If you're on any paid Midjourney plan, basic, standard, pro, or higher, you're allowed to sell the images you generate. That includes prints, digital downloads, merchandise like shirts and mugs, book covers, and even client work. Midjourney grants you broad commercial rights to the outputs you create to the extent allowed under current law. And good news, if you created images while you were a paid subscriber, your license to use those images commercially generally continues, even if you cancel your subscription later. There are a few important caveats. First, free users cannot sell their Midjourney art. If you're on a free trial or using the service without a paid plan, your images fall under a non-commercial license, which prohibits selling, licensing, merchandising, or any other commercial use. Second, don't expect traditional copyright protection. In many places, purely AI-generated images may not qualify for formal copyright registration because they lack clear human authorship. You can still sell the art you create, but you typically can't stop others from generating similar or even identical outputs using the same prompts. Third, consider your company's size. If you're creating Midjourney art for a business with over $1 million in annual gross revenue, you need to be on a pro or enterprise level plan to use those images commercially. Fourth, be careful with trademarks and copyrights that belong to others. Images that feature recognizable characters, logos, or designs, or that closely mimic a living artist's distinctive style can lead to copyright or trademark issues. Also, avoid using Midjourney's brand name in ways that suggest endorsement, such as naming your shop in a way that implies an official relationship. Before you start selling, double-check that your account is on a qualifying paid plan. Avoid protected intellectual property unless you have explicit permission. Some marketplaces require sellers to disclose AI use, so review their policies and be transparent in your product descriptions if needed. And because laws around AI and copyright are evolving, it's wise to consult a qualified attorney if you're building a business around AI-generated art. To wrap up, yes, paid Midjourney users can sell the art they generate. No, free users can't use their images commercially. And while you can monetize your work, you generally won't have exclusive copyright protection, and you still need to avoid infringing on others' intellectual property.